Hello, hello, hello. We're back with another live trading vlog. I don't want to waste any time. Let's get into it. All right, so here, this is on the 10-minute. We're currently on the 10-minute. It is currently 8:28 a.m. So I gotta wait for like two more minutes, or almost 2 more minutes. And on the 10-minute, what I see here is that price is very bullish, but there hasn't been a pullback for this area. Now, I've been in this circumstance where I'm here, price is bullish, I'm thinking bullish, let me zoom out. I'm thinking buys because price is bullish, and then this is when it kind of comes down and tear up. A reason why I bring this up is because this is on the 10-minute. This is an old screenshot on my Discord. I remember this session, I was looking for buys because, of course, we're bullish. Look, buys, higher highs, higher lows, whatever. But before the session started, look at where we were. Price was here. No black candles, no pullback, but price was here. When I started seeing price pulling back, I was still iffy about going for any type of sells because I was like, it's bullish, but like, no, bro. Like, what I want to do or learn from, at least, it's like when price is at the tibbity tobbity bibbity boppity of the move, it may come down, right? And so low key, oh shit, it's 8:30. What the fuck? I'm low key looking to see if the same thing will happen today. Potentially, of course. I don't know, but I'm seeing that price is ranging, so I'm a little bit, iffy. Okay, that's better. Fuck. Okay, so something that I see, I'm looking at the 10-minute right now, dropping down to the 2, dropping down to the 1. I'm gonna pull up the demo for my sake. I'm gonna pull up the demo because, like, I be having ideas, but this isn't a great area for it. But I'm gonna go for this buy on the demo. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna go for buys on this demo. Stop loss right underneath here. This is just me on the demo. It's just to say that I did something. I don't want to guess, but that's just me on the demo. I could be extremely wrong. And that's why I like my setup, is because it's okay to be wrong. You'll know. Okay, so price kind of is giving us something similar to like yesterday's setup, where it broke past this range right here. This is on the 1-minute. But again, I talked about how I'm looking at this and I'm like, price could potentially want to go down. So price is broken off that range. Right here in this middle part, there is a fair value gap right here. So I would potentially be looking for price to come back into this fair value gap to go and give us a potential entry. I'm looking on the 10-minute, seeing where we are. Yeah, okay, so right now, since we have this here, I'm going to at least target in this here. I'm going to bank, in quotes, on being like bearish. Now, I may be wrong, and, hey, I'm okay with that. Just as long as I know why I'm doing this. I'm trying to learn from what I've, dealt with before. Don't you wish you would for that? So, going for a buy is crazy. Anyway, but yes, so I have this thing right here. So if price meets me, or comes back up to this area, tags it, gets like any type of entry, whether it be support and resistance or something. If I could just get something, that'd be great. But this is on the 10-minute, and I'll let you know. Okay, forgot to look at this, but we had news at 8:30. Didn't realize that. We got high impact news 8:45 for euro. So let's see here. There's a lot of red folders. It's just going down. It's not giving me any entry that I would take. So I think we just missed this setup. So that fucking sucks. But at least I didn't take a setup that didn't make any sense, right? Like, I just wanted to take a setup that aligned with who I was, who I am, and that I feel comfortable with. So yeah, I'll let you know. Okay, now price has like tapped into that. Literally, remember when I was like, all right, this is the area that I'd be a little bit more cautious about for sells, because price on the 10-minute is tapping into a demand zone, right? 10-minute demand zone right here. Hasn't tapped into it yet, but that's where it's basically going. And so I was just like, all right, I don't want to I don't want to take something like a sell when we're tapping into a higher time frame demand zone. So I don't know, I'm a little bit iffy, but we'll see. Let me look at that 10-minute. Yeah, we'll see. A lot of the times I've realized that they don't be caring. So yeah, I still haven't gotten any type of setup for me. So yeah, I'll let you know. Okay, so I'm in the setup on the demo, and it wasn't really a setup that I was looking at, like, but I just wanted to take it because price is going down, so I wanted to at least try it. The only thing that I'm like so iffy about is the fact that, again, on the 10-minute we tapped into a higher time frame demand zone. The only thing is this is a huge demand zone, and a lot of the times I'll think like, oh, don't go for the sell, don't go for the sell, we're in a, but then price, it's like, so I don't know how to explain it. Okay, anyway, I'm trying to think. So price tapped into nothing that I would take. So I don't know. But we made a low. We have this support and resistance area right here. Price is tapping into right now. Right. So what I would be looking for is, okay, a tap in, a break. If it goes even higher, that's perfect. Okay, yeah, tap in, a break, like up here or above here. And then, yeah, I'll let you know if I see anything. But okay, so we got that. That's nice. So now I'd be looking for something else. Let me see. Okay, so price is like low-key tapped into the supply zone. Here, again, like, remember the 10-minute demand. Like, I didn't forget about that. But I'm looking, and I'm being a little bit more cautious and a little bit more aware of like the bullshit that price likes to do. Of course, not to say that, oh, I know exactly what's going to happen, but I'm just trying to be a little bit more aware here. Just a little bit more. I'm gonna be pissed if this like ends up going bullish and then going through this whole entire thing, because in my head it's like, man, I've tried to do that and you guys slapped me every single time. So it's like I don't even want to think about the possibility of that even happening. So yeah, I'll let you know. So right now, price tapped into the supply zone. What I would want to see from price is break past this, give me the break of the candle here, and then come back into this area right here, and then I'll take the break. So price came back. So price, all right, we seen broke. Okay, and then I'd be waiting for price to come back into this area, and then, you know, taking the sell. But I guess we'll leave without us. If I can get a, I guess it's gone without us. Oh my god. Oh, unless the bullish powers unite, in quotes. Should we go for this buy right here? On the demo, I'm a little just iffy. And I don't want to be iffy on setups, you know. I want to be like, yeah, that's right. Yeah, so all I'm waiting for is price to kind of come back into this zone over here and then give me like a break, but I don't know. Kind of like, you should have just took the sell, but whatever, man. Yeah, all right, I'll let you know if anything. Oh, I just remembered, we have high impact news at 8:45. It's currently 8:41, so I'm actually glad that I'm not in any setup. LOL, I took this buy on the demo, and it looked like it might hit. On the 10-minute, we tapped into a fair value gap. I didn't notice it until now. But we've been ranging, so I don't know, but we might. Like, if I took this setup seriously, like, I'm pretty sure TP would have been here, or just, it would have just been hit, or maybe like a tick above, and then that's TP, but I just have it like here, so I'll let you know. And keep in mind, this is the setup that I would go for, right? Like, price came back, tap in, I'd be going, break the candle, you know, da-da-da. But ranging the 8:45 red candle, you know, so I just wasn't for it. And look at that. Oh, how fucking fantastic. 8:44, by the way. I don't know if you can see that. So I like that my instinct to kind of go for the sell was like like something to think about. Again, I don't want to get into anything. It's about to be 8:45 soon. We got like less than 10 seconds left, so I'm not trying to do anything. I showed y'all, right? News 8:45. I don't know, it's Euro news. They're not even important. I'm in America. But yeah. Let's see. Okay. So it's 8:45 right now. Bruh. Nothing? I just didn't want to take this because you don't know what. It's a press conference. They could be saying anything right now. Who knows? Okay, so now price is like pushing up. What if I went for the breakout? What if price comes back here? We'll try to get the tap in.
Order filled.
All right, this is demo, by the way. I'm just really not feeling it so far. Really not knowing where price wants to go, so I just don't want to be like, oh, I gotta get in, But, I see potential, but I'm just confused, like, overall. But, yeah, I'll let you know. Oh, shit. We might get close to... I'm moving my stop loss, the fuck? Niggas right there from close to TP. Hell no. I mean, at this point, that deserves putting it to break even. But you know me, I love giving shit a chance. But yeah, I'll let you know. Okay, so I'm looking on the 2-minute, and I see that price just tapped into this zone right here, and I'm low-key feeling even more bearish. So if price comes back over here, it gives me a break of the candle, I might take that sell. That's just how I feel. They essentially don't care about me. Okay, so I see this. I kind of like this for a sell. And if I lose, I'm okay with that. Have to take that chance, And yeah, definitely don't want to rather take that break the candle. So that's going to be my setup, and I'll let you know if we get something. Okay, so price is giving me the type of setup that I would be looking for. But of course, if it blasts past this, then I ain't looking for that no more. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a break, potentially. Maybe I'm crazy. But I still like this. I don't know. Change my mind, please. Maybe I'm slow? Yeah, literally changed my mind. I'm looking at this 1 minute right here, and I'm seeing price potentially like blasting, like going here and going down. But again, I don't want to lose focus on what's happening right in front of me. Okay, price tapped into that, right? This feels like yesterday, where I didn't take the setups that was right in front of my face, and we could have banked. This is a little bit different because I don't know, like how I feel, and you're wrong about the direction. Okay, cool. So on the 10-minute, what did it tap into to even get this reaction? The 10-minute, it blasts past this zone, but if you look at drop on the 2, it tapped into a 2-minute demand zone. This is the thing that's making its way up. Like, Jesus. Yeah, I'm just a little bit like, fuck off. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, I'll let you know. I was too scared. I think I'm going to take the sell on the demo and the buy on the regular trading account.
Stop filled.
Okay. If I'm wrong, that's okay. I think that's TP in quotes. 3, 6. I'll let you know if it stops me out. For sure. I was thinking about going for the sell, but I don't know how many times I've gone for the sell and then it stops me out for the sell to then just go and be a buy, but I guess we're about to get stopped out here, so.
Stop filled.
Guess we were wrong about that one. What if we go for the sell?
Order filled.
I'm gonna go for the sell. I wanted to go for the sell, but every time I've gone for a sell and it just stops me out to then just go for a buy. So I was just like, whatever, fuck it. But yeah, I'll let you know. I just took a sell. I was like, okay, well, if you don't want to go up, then I guess you want to go down. But look at that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. And I got stopped out for it to go into my direction. This is absolutely fucking fantastic. All of that waiting, bro. All of that waiting to take a setup to just get stopped out. For it to just go in your direction again. It's like, bro, it's like, why am I even here? Like, I'm going for this buy. It's a demand zone. Price tapped into. If it gives me to break the candle, I'm going for the buy. Because that shit is dumb, bro. Please don't tell me that you stopped me out for the sell to just go in my direction, bro. Oh my god, bro. Like, this is actually fucking crazy. I'll let you know. Okay, so I got into this setup, but now I think price is ranging, so we might be fucked here. But of course, I'll let you know. If I lose this trade, we're done for the day. This is where price is right now. I got in mad late. I should have taken the entry, but I was scared, so I took a earlier, way later setup. But we'll see. It's not over till we hear order filled. Let's see what price want to do here. Let's see what price want to do here. Letting y'all know. All right. Okay. I'm moving my stop loss up. No reason, bro. If you're literally this amount, I am not letting you fall all the way down back. Like some people could be okay with that. I am not okay with that, bro. That means you did not want to go up. Moving my stop loss up. Actually, moving my stop loss to break even. Yeah. You're not about to go down on me. After doing all of this shit, no. No. Either you're going up or you're not going up at all. Alright. Let's see what this candle do. I'll hold it here for y'all. We'll watch it together. It's currently 9:03. Let's watch some bullshit together, y'all. Bruh. I'm moving my stop loss up. I ain't gonna hold you.
Order filled.
Period. The fuck? Like, that shit was disgusting, bro. Alright, so we're down $15. I don't think I showed you. We were down $28. Sorry, my fault. I didn't show y'all that. But I'll show you here. We lost 10, 12, I don't know, what's that? 20, I don't know. Do math. And then we won that trade. So we're 1 and 2. So, yeah. So what did I learn? I think me going for the sell was just something that I should just like stop trying to do. Like, I've been in this situation. We were literally in this situation yesterday. And I think I'm proud of myself for switching to buys. Unfortunately, we did get stopped out before it ended up doing the move that we were looking for. But I'm glad that I did. I'm upset, you know, of course I went for that sell. But at the same time, it's like, I know why I did it. But, like, bro, let's think about how it was, right? Off rip, when we came to the charts, I'm so proud of us because what did we say? We saw this bullish shit and we were like, you know what? I think we might be bearish. You know, price has been going up. I have yet to see a pullback. I think we might be bearish. And what happened when, boom, all of this. Now, funny, like, unfortunately, we didn't, you know, get a chance to capitalize on any sells in this area. But look, we did that. We, you know what I mean? So, yeah, of course, like, not perfect. how is my breathing? My breathing isn't really the best. Like, I'm doing it, but it's like I still have tension, but it's not too bad. I think because I'm only on 1 micro, so even when I lose, it's like I lost 2 trades today and I was only down like $30. Right now I'm down $15, so it's like it's not anything like crazy. So that's really helping. I wanted it to be live so I can still have that like, oh, this is real money. But yeah. Okay, this was originally going to be on my live, but I decided to switch it to demo. On the 10-minute, I'm bearish because we tapped into this sell. I could be wrong. But yeah. So I was thinking about taking this on the demo because like I just have these ideas, but I don't know if they be making sense, right?
Stop
Oh,
fill.
see, this is why I don't even like doing that. We got stop fill, but it didn't even break the candle. Oh, damn. All right, let's see if we can get another entry. Hopefully it breaks the candle because that's not even the setup. That's not even the setup. Damn, I'm glad we on demo though. All right, I ain't gonna lie to you. I put in myself a buy. It's 9:09, probably not the best idea, but I put myself in for a buy right here. Hopefully price don't make me look dumb as hell, but we'll see what price wants to do, but I'll let you know. And if this trade loses, then I'm done for the day. Okay, I'm moving my stop loss up to like, oh, it was so close. I'm moving my stop loss up to here. Because that was such a huge stretch, right? Sir, yeah. Listen, if it falls from here, it did not want to go up. Oh my god. All right, I'm a bitch.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Wow, look at that. Bro, look at that. Bro, that's crazy. We was like 1 tick away. All right, bro, I'm done. That's fucking crazy, bruh. That's crazy.
Order filled.
Wow, that was on my demo because I went for a sell and I was like, should we pay attention to this supply zone? And I did, and I took a sell around here. Price never gave me the break, so I never took it. But then price, oh man, sucks because I fucking wish I just took the break of the candle. If I took the break of the candle, bro, we would have been Gucci. We would have been good. Well, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, whatever. I'm done. Some fucking bullshit. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm done for the day on this trading shit. Shit's dumb. Whatever. Yeah. But I'll see you on the next one. And yeah, take care. Bye.